Hey, hey everybody. I just got back from a outing I just had, and we went to, what is it called, Latte Mart.
Latte Mart.
And I got this big robot kitty. Look at how fluffy it is. Oh my god. I don't know what it's called because it's all in Korean, so if you guys know what this says, then feel free to let me know because I have no idea.
I can translate the box later.
Yeah, but there it is. It's a cute little fluffy robot cat. It's big and fat, and it's got like these tie-dye on its ears, and it's white. And I just love how they advertise it like it's a pet carrier. Like, look at how cute that is. All right, let's unbox the little sucker. Is there tape on the side or anything like that? I don't see any tape. Oh wait, yeah, there's tape right here. That's why I got the scissors. There we go. Oh my god, look how cute that is. You see the cat up in the inside. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
I wish I could bring this box back with me, but it's too dang big to bring back to America.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at that. How cute that is. Oh my god. About dropped it. That would have been bad. Look. Oh my god, it's so fat.
It's so fat.
Look at that. How, oh my god, it's so soft. Oh my god. It's got a big zip tie holding it in. Okay. Be free, kitty. Be free, kitty. Oh my god. This is a really strong zip tie. Give me a sec. Okay, there we go. Ooh, that was tough. Is that all he had was that one zip tie? Oh yeah, there he is. That was pretty easy to unbox. A lot better than American stuff. There he is. Oh my god. This is so soft. Like, it feels like a Furby Connect type of soft.
Oh,
It's
cool.
like that soft. Yeah, where's the battery department? Oh, here it is. You can barely even see it. It's so hidden in the belly here. Hopefully the tail's okay. Let me see.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, because it's kind of bent weird. So, I don't know. I just got some screwdrivers, too. I gotta see which ones fit. Okay, that one fits.
I'm sitting over here unboxing fill containers and nail clippers.
Yay! For nail clippers. Yes! Nail clippers.
Yeah, well, I don't know anywhere in America you can buy nail clippers for under $1.
No, nowhere. Look at this big pack of batteries that I got, too. These were dirt cheap, by the way. And these are Energizers.
Yeah.
Like, you know how much they cost in America?
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
Okay, now let me
I'm not
see
sure
how
much
these...
those come to, but...
Trying to see how these go in, like this, I guess. How does that one go in? Okay, it goes in like that. It's kind of hard to see because it's dark outside, so. But I wanted to do this tonight because I don't think I can wait until tomorrow to do it. How does this one go in? I wish I could see.
Oh. Turn, there's another light behind you. Over there, you can turn it on.
Oh, wait, it goes this way. Okay, now I see it.
I might have to go down and dump all these things.
Okay. Put that back in there.
blow your nose on this or what?
What? Oh, it's probably food or something.
Okay. Well, I was wanting mine. I don't know if that one was mine or not.
Oh, I'm trying to get the screw back in. Come on, get in there. Do I not have it centered in right or something? No, apparently not. Okay, now it should go in, I'm hoping. Okay, there we go. Okay.
Oh, cute.
Oh my god, it just started wagging its tail at me. Did you hear that cute meow? Oh my god.
Don't worry, I'm not getting your film. Oh, it's closing its eyes.
Oh my god.
Opening them up. That's too cute.
Oh my god, that was only $30.
Like 30 something.
30 something dollars for this.
Oh. It's so fluffy. Look at its fluffy ears.
I think the tail's kind of bent, but oh well. That's the only one they had there.
Yeah, it is. Cute.
That is adorable.
That is cute.
Here, let's see the tail wagging action. It's so fluffy. I can't believe they can make a robot this soft.
Yeah, I know. That's crazy.
And it's opening and closing its eyes. It's kind of hard to see. They just look like empty sockets on camera, but I promise you they're not. They're cute little kitty eyes. Oh my god, I love this thing. It is so soft. Oh, it's purring.
Oh, it's purring? Oh, funny.
Like, this is amazingly soft. I'm not sure if you give it commands or whatnot, but even if I could, it would be in Korean. It wouldn't be able to understand me.
Yeah, just keep the instructions.
They didn't come with instructions.
Mm.
No.
Mm.
At least I don't think it did.
We'll just keep the box materials until I can
Translate it, yeah.
Translate everything.
But there it is. There's the kitty. Alright, I'm just gonna put the box down here. And it sung a song, did you hear it?
It was?
It sung a song.
Sung a song?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That is so cute.
Yeah, it is cute.
I'll try to show this more in the daytime where you can actually see its eyes, because it's really hard to see them in this low lighting in here.
Well, there's lights behind you, but I forgot to turn them on.
Oh yeah, hold on. There's stuff all over the floor from the unboxing.
Oh, yeah.
That's how unboxings go, though.
Yeah, I know. Oh, is this the water you're drinking, Lexi? This one?
What?
Did you have a water down here by your door? This one?
No. Mine's under my table in my bedroom.
Oh, the one you
Okay,
looked out
can you
of?
see? You can kind of see its eyes a little bit better. It's still kind of hard to see, though. Oh, it made like yawning noises when I'm petting it really fast.
Yawning noises. That's funny.
I think this would be a good therapy robot for people, especially with how soft it is.
Yeah, it's really cute. Okay.
That's adorable. I just wish the tail wasn't all bent to crap, but oh well. It still wags.
That's good. I guess I'm ready to plug up my computer and let it charge. Plug my phone and plug this up.
It says you can like. Oh, weird. On the box it showed it upside down. Oh, it's sleeping. Alright guys, well I think that's about it for now. I'll have to translate the box to see if there's any other things I can do. But if you guys can translate the box and let me know what it says on what this cat's called, I'm just going to title an Unboxing Robot Kitty or something. I don't know what else to call it. Unboxing the Robot Kitty. Did it turn off? Maybe it has and goes off after a while or something. Oh. Okay. Say goodbye to our subscribers, Kitty. This kitty needs a name. I can't just call it Kitty. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and turn it off.
Plug my computer up.
Okay, now turn it off because I don't want it to turn it off while the eyes are closed. That might not be good for the motors.
I don't know.
Gosh, this thing is like a big marshmallow. You know what? That's what I should name it. Yes, I think that's a good name. It looks like a big marshmallow. Okay, there we go. Name solved. Name solved. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I know it was quick, but it's just a robot kitty that just sits there and meows and stuff. It's really cute. It's really fluffy and soft. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one, whenever that will be, and there'll be more videos of this cute little marshmallow cat robot pretty soon. Alright, bye-bye guys.